Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making Pear-Ginger Hemp Seed Muffins. So hop on board and let's get cooking. The first thing we do is prepare our baking dish. We spray each hole. We take our liners. Then we spray each liner a little bit of oil. And we place it to the side until we're ready. The next step is we take a small dish and we add in tablespoons of ground flax seeds, of aquafaba, and set aside. We take a deep dish. We add 1 cup of milk mixture and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Stir and set aside. We're going to sift in 2 cups of whole wheat pastry flour. We're going to add 1/4 cup of hemp hearts. We're going to sift in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we stir. Create a well in the middle. Set aside. Now we take our milk mixture, our thickened flax mixture, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of applesauce, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger root, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we use a hand mixer. Oven, we preheat the oven to 375. Now we take our liquid ingredients and we pour them in to the well we've created, and we stir until combined. Now we're going to take 2 cups of our chopped pears, which is about 2 pears, and 1/2 cup of chopped candied ginger. We're going to fold it in. Now we take our prepared muffins and pour them in to the prepared baking dish. Now we're going to put it in the fridge for 15 minutes, and this will help to ensure that it rises nicely. While it's chilling, we're going to make the sweet ginger topping. Take a small bowl, going to add in 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, 1 tablespoon chopped candied ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of minced ginger root. We're going to mix it up together. Once our muffins had chilled, we will sprinkle it on. So we're going to take our about 1 1/2 teaspoons per muffin. We'll take a knife and just press it in a little bit. We take our prepared muffins and we're going to bake them in the oven. After cooking for 20 minutes, they are done and they are beautiful. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.